Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications. Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference.
Development, transformation, Niger Delta, my Niger Delta.
And the TSA is a limiting factor. So you want to say that even though I understand why it was because most of the institutions were no longer generating funds from the government. They just bring anything they think after doing whatever they want to do and tied to internal workings. But I want to say that the NDDC should be exempted from it, especially because you have a leadership that, well, we understand his programs now. We can hold him accountable to it. So we want to see exactly what he would do with such volume of money. So I want government to examine the pros and the cons of this. Personally, I think the pros of exempting NDDC from the TSA outweighs the cons. The MD currently is a young man. You would say he's from our youth, from the youth structure. You can easily expect him to perform. But then you would need that step, that spring on your steps in terms of bulk capital to pump into projects. Again, contractors too, you need to pay them because a lot of them, they secure facilities to do whatever project you want to do. And when the money is not there to pay them, you find that it becomes an issue, and a lot of them have even died and committed suicide from it. So the TSA hasn't really helped us, as it were.
Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference. Inside the Niger Delta,